Gold analysis and prediction, monthly time frame. We see that gold has formed a demand here that we may retest, and it's quite a longer demand, but we're gonna scale that on a smaller time frame. And a second demand was formed also down here. We expect gold to fall there in just coming months. Probably let's go check on a realistic time frame. For a weekly time frame will give us a clarity of what's happening. As you can see, gold did exactly what we've analyzed last week. If you want to check that video, I'm gonna put it down on the first comment. And as you can see, we predicted that gold will touch this area here. Gold will touch this area here, guys. And this is our demand that we have analyzed, and gold came exactly on those area, and it touched it with a double bottom here, guys. And now expect gold to move up a little bit until when we're gonna realize that in just few minutes after analyzing. Let's check on a daily time frame, and you can see if there is something significant. We can also see a supply that was formed here. Don't forget that we are looking for gold to go down in the next month. We have seen a supply that was formed there, and as you can see, guys, after this supply, we are going just to look on a small time frame because there's nothing significant again, unless you wanna mark this area here, the resistance area, but it won't be of a use right now. Let's check on a quite small time frame, probably a 4-hour time frame, gonna give us a clarity of what's happening. And as you can see, guys, let me just delete this and also just use a fresh zone. And now we can see that this is the supply that I was talking about, which was formed by gold here. And we see that gold is heading to the supply area. And as you can see, by looking left, you can also see another supply area that was formed above here. And gold has a potential to reach that supply area too. And then also the lot, and we can see all these supply areas. We can see them. They are high potential for gold to reach there. And also another supply area, which is also a resistance above here. We also expect gold to reach those areas, but let's be precise from now, and let's check on something here, guys. We can see that gold have just closed. It just crossed, going above, closing above our last lower high that was formed here. And what we're gonna do after that, we're gonna see using this tool here. We're gonna use the retracement. Gonna use the volatility retracement, and as you can see, guys, marking from the lower here to the last candlestick that closed, the candlestick that closed above the last lower high that was formed here. And as you can see, gold target on this zone here, the area which is 16.1.8, that's the area that we target, or gold is targeting. And also, as you can see, it's also targeting the area of 261.8. That area is also important. Probably it was meant to target that area here, a zone here probably, or you can see you can also extend this to somewhere there. So that zone is also important. And as you can see, we might also target an area which is a bit far. Let's check this area, guys, the area of 423.6. This area is also at a very crucial area, which is a support, which is a resistance area. We might see gold just heading right there, but we're gonna look that on a smaller time frame. Let's for now delete a few of these things. Let's delete these stuffs here and see on a fresh chart on a 1-hour time frame. You can see, guys, now we are having some opportunity to buy gold from here, temporarily buying gold on Monday and Tuesday probably there. And if gold give us a reason coming back to retest this demand they formed here, they follow this demand here, and if gold come back to that demand, then I can take a buy entry from there, targeting the area here, targeting few of these areas, guys, few of these areas, a resistance here, or precisely just marking this area as a supply here. And also some of the area here is the area that we're going to target if you take a buy from there. And if gold keep moving up, we expect gold to sell in just few days. If gold keep moving up, we expect gold to sell for a few days. Our target, guys, will be probably just on a bigger time frame. Probably we're just gonna use this time frame, the 4-hour time frame, just to analyze exactly on what's really happening on gold. We might get a recent gold coming back here by Monday, coming back to our area here, coming back to our area here, then you can take some buy position probably if we get a reason to, or gold will keep moving, keep pushing up and look for opportunities to sell on those zones that we've been marking. These zones, the supply zones, is where we are looking for opportunity to sell gold or to short gold on the next week. Guys, let's see what's gonna happen. And if you like this type of video, guys, this type of tutorial, just make sure that you thumb up this video, because we're gonna drop a lot of those videos there for you guys, and we'll always drop these analysis videos. And these sharp moves really mean a lot to gold. This sharp move really means a lot to gold, and it's trying to break this downtrend, but actually it's fake. It's fake breaking. Expect gold still to keep dropping after a retracement. But for the next week, I think gold will be a bit bullish, guys. Gold might be a bit bullish, and I might look for opportunities to buy some of those areas too. And thank you guys for watching. See you again on the next video.